So this is a 3rd gen IS with Gen 8 navigation with these buttons right here: menu, up, down, home, joystick. And here is a Generation 9 Lexus joystick with map, up, down, back, menu, button, joystick, as well as enter button on both sides. So connections are exactly the same. Let's see. And on this one, it's right here. So what I'm gonna do is plug this into this car. Put you guys down really quick. Okay, connect it now. Connected right there. I put some towel there because the connector is back here on this one instead of here like that one. So let's give it a try. Oh, see, the mouse is working with feedback. Let's see. I'll hit the menu button. Yep, menu works. Map button. Yep, that works. Hit menu. Let's go in settings. In the settings, so typically you would hit that back button. Let's see if this back button works. Okay, so the back button doesn't work. Okay, let's see. So what we've been doing is we press down and it works. Let's see if we press this button if it'll work. Oh, yep, it works. Okay. So everything works except for this back button. It does nothing for Gen 8 because it was a Gen 9 feature. Okay, and then let's try go to general. Try these up and down arrows. Yep, those work. Sweet. Okay, so this works fully on a Generation 8. If you were to convert your controller from the new 2017 IS, which is Generation 9, basically same exact setup, same connector and everything, all of it works except for this back button. Hope this was informative. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe,